Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is probably one of my most favorite videos of the year to make, and that is my first clean and decorate for the holiday season. I cannot believe we are here and I am so excited. So as I said, today's video I am going to be cleaning a few rooms in my home and decorating them for Christmas and Thanksgiving. I do not forget about Thanksgiving. Don't worry. So there is some Thanksgiving decor as well. So, I am starting off in my kitchen. If you do not follow me on Instagram, definitely check me out over there. I already decorated my kitchen. I did a reel and posted that on Instagram just for the kitchen. So, for the beginning of this video, I'm just going to be really flying through this kitchen. Nothing crazy. I just want to do like some basic cleaning, and then we will move on into the dining room and get some decorating done. So if you are brand new here, hey, what's up? My name is Jessa. I am a 35-year-old stay-at-home mom of two. We bought this house about 11 years ago, which is crazy to say out loud, and it is our fixer-upper, as you can tell just by this. You can see like all of my broken drawers in the kitchen and like my peeling countertop. Our home is definitely not perfect, but we absolutely love it. And just slowly over the years, we are making improvements. I absolutely love my fixer upper, truly. So, for the time being, let's let some music play and let's get the kitchen clean. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. If you are brand new here, definitely consider subscribing. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it so I know that you like it, and let's get into it. So I have been wanting to tell you for a couple videos now. I am using the new Mrs. Meyer's elderberry scent. I got it at Target. I'm assuming this is a seasonal scent, but my goodness, I hope that they make it permanent. I cannot get enough of this smell. Like I said, it's Mrs. Meyer's. You guys know they're always good for their like seasonal scents, and this is the elderberry one. It's like a purplish gray bottle. It smells so good, guys. Holy guacamole. I have never used a cleaner where I'm like, wow, I actually want to clean. Like this is, it smells so good and I love the way it makes my house smell. And it is just an absolute 10 for me. So if you guys see it in Target or anywhere else, definitely grab it. So after I finish up in the kitchen, which is only going to be about another minute or so, I'm going to be moving on into the dining room, and I absolutely love how my dining room came out. It's really simple and really minimalist. It's not anything crazy. But for whatever reason, I just loved how the dining room came out. I added a Thanksgiving tablecloth that was my mom's that you'll see in, like I said, just a couple seconds. And in the dining room, I also wanted to tell you guys that I bought a ton of new battery operated candles, like a ton. They're all from Amazon, and I will have everything linked in the description box. So I recently have switched away from burning candles for a variety of reasons. I am just trying to kind of get rid of some fragrance in my home. Not completely. I still like some fragranced products, but I am trying to cut down. And I also really like that I don't have to worry about it with the kids. It's really nice to just not have that anxiety of having a lit candle if you guys have toddlers, like you know. But over the past couple years, pretty much all of my battery operated candles are like have been broken. My 2-year-old smashed the glass ones that I had. I had really nice like glass battery operated candles, and it was a total accident, but Luca smashed them off the dining room table. So I just haven't bought new ones, and they've been on my list for a long time. So this time I actually bought new glass ones, which you'll see me put on the dining room table. I bought tea lights and I bought tapers, like candlesticks, which you'll see in the living room. And honestly, guys, like I recommend all of them. I've been using them for about 4 days now, so I can't really speak on the longevity of them. But it's just far as like looks wise and like aesthetics wise, they look so good and they look so real. And I really recommend them. The candlesticks are definitely my favorite. I think that they look so beautiful. As I said, you'll see them in my living room after I finish up the dining room. But yeah, if you're interested in some battery operated candles, definitely check the description box. I will have everything linked.
This time last year, I was on my own. Just me and a plastic Christmas tree all alone. But this year will be different in so many ways. Now that I've found someone with whom to spend my days. Now I know what Christmas can be like. And now I know what everyone's been talking about. Now I know what Christmas can be like. Peace and joy for every.
So we're heading into the living room now. We are putting up our tree this weekend. Ever since I had Luca, who is my 2-year-old, the Christmas tree has always been a little source of anxiety. Last year we ended up putting it in the corner of our dining room to try to keep him away from it, and I hated it. I hated every minute of it. So we are not doing that this year. This year we're putting it in the spot that we normally put it, which is between the dining room and the living room, where kind of like that blank space is. And I'm hopeful that everything will be okay. I'm actually doing a themed tree this year, so stay tuned for that. I've never done a themed tree before. I've always just like put whatever ornaments we have on the tree. But I kind of wanted to do something a little bit prettier, to be honest. And I wanted to do something that I didn't have to worry about little man hurting the tree or breaking anything on the tree. So I went out and I bought all like shatterproof and like unbreakable ornaments and garland and stuff like that. And I'm really excited. I think the tree's going to be really pretty. I bought, like I said, ribbon and garland and ornaments, and all the ornaments are like champagne, white, a beautiful like emerald green and gold. And I'm just really excited to see how it will come out. I have never done a themed tree before, but I'm excited to have just I don't know, just do something different and just do this really like pretty themed tree. So that will be I actually don't know if I'm going to film it. We're going to put the tree up probably off camera, but I might decorate it on camera. I'm not sure. Either way, I will definitely show you guys in my next video when it's up. That's going to be this weekend. So you guys are seeing this video, or I'm uploading this video on Saturday, and we're going to be doing it that weekend. So it'll definitely be up for my next video. I'm really excited to put up the tree, and I hope little man just learns and is a good boy. Again, if you guys have a 2-year-old or you have toddlers, like you just get it. Or it's like having a cat or a dog. Our cat is a sweet girl and she's very old. She's 14 now. But for the first like 5 or 6 years of her life, all she did was climb the tree, and it was really annoying and awful. And she ruined so many trees for us. But she doesn't do that anymore. So that's really nice to not have to worry about that.
And now I know what Christmas can be like. I'll give you a kiss underneath the mistletoe. You give me that look that makes me love you so. This year will be.
So in my living room, I am switching things up with the decor. I have had such a change in tastes over the past couple years. I honestly want to throw out everything I own and buy new or get new. I feel like everything in my home doesn't suit my taste anymore, and I feel like for the first time in a really long time, I know exactly what I want my house to look like. And unfortunately, like I've had a real change in like my decor style and just like my style overall. So I'm doing something a little different this year. So normally I don't do much on top of the TV stand. Normally I just put like a red poinsettia garland up there. But this year I wanted to do something different and fun. So I went to At Home. At Home has like the best Christmas decor. Most of the stuff I own is from At Home, like as far as Christmas decor now. So, but pretty much this entire shelf, other than the candles, came from At Home. And I honestly really like how it turned out. I think that it was something different than I normally do. Like I said, I normally don't decorate on top of the TV at all, but I really liked how that came out. And as I said, I will make sure to link all the candles down in the description box. So now we're going to move on into my bedroom, which honestly is a total nightmare. And I really need your guys' help on the bedroom. So to start off, I am just going to be doing some regular cleaning. And you'll see a couple of the candles, a couple of the candlesticks, as well as the tea lights. I just didn't have a place to put them. I like extras, so I just threw them in the bedroom, but nothing crazy here. So as far as the bedroom goes, my camera did cut out at toward the end of the video, so I wasn't able to show you like a full room shot. But I'm kind of unhappy with how my bed came out. So I bought this beautiful pillow from At Home that I know you guys will like. I'm obsessed with that pillow. But you see on the bed here, I have some wooden garland, and I think it was just one of those things where it was like a vision in my head, and the vision just didn't come to life. It just didn't look how I thought it was going to look. And we ended up taking it down. I did put it up for this video, but we ended up putting it down. It just wasn't fitting right, and the garland is wooden and it's very heavy, like it's real wood and it's extremely heavy. So the bedroom just didn't come out the way I wanted it to. I might try to rehang the garland again. Again, you'll see it at the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys like how it came out, or if you think I should just like try something different. I'm kind of disappointed, but it didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out. And I also wanted to give you guys a quick update on my decluttering series. So you guys just saw as I was cleaning my nightstand, I had all those boxes piled up next to my closet. I have been keeping all of Luca's diaper boxes and pull-up boxes for my decluttering series for my closet because I just didn't want to use trash bags to bring to donation. I thought the boxes would be better. So unfortunately, I'm just kind of like hoarding diaper boxes in my bedroom right now, but I am definitely going to be doing that hopefully before the holiday season, like before Christmas and or before Thanksgiving and Christmas. I am truly ready to throw out more than half of my clothes, and when I say throw out, I mean donate. Uh, but for right now, I know it's not super aesthetically pleasing that I just have a box, like a tower of empty boxes in my room, but I just haven't wanted to throw them away. I think it'll just be easier to pack up stuff to bring to donation rather than just using trash bags. And I am fully planning on getting rid of at least half of my clothes, along with like my home decor that I just talked about. I have really kind of had like a a real change in like how I want to look and the clothes that I want to wear and how I want to present myself. And I just don't feel like anything I own really represents that right now. So, yeah, hopefully I can get back to decluttering. I'm kind of unsure of what my schedule will look like for the rest of the year, but I'd love to get that closet done this year and then probably just focus more on like cleaning and stuff like that. We are hosting Christmas, so I have a lot to do to get the house ready. So hopefully I'll have some good cleaning content for you guys. So I'm gonna wrap up in the bedroom. You guys will see the garland or the wooden garland and the pillow. Let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love the pillow. I think it looks great on the bed, but the garland I'm really on the fence about. I think I'm gonna take it. Like I don't think I'm gonna put it back up. But let me know. So I'm gonna stop talking. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you forever, and I will see you in my next video.